Okay, today at Kitchen we're cooking for the staff to give back. So the first dish will be poke. So we got fresh ahi poke, and what we're gonna do, we're making this for 25 people. So that's why it's such a big size. So first thing we want to do is just add some salt. You gotta make sure you evenly salt the fish, and then you want to put some chilies, onions in there, soy sauce, and then you're gonna use sesame oil too. That'll just kind of make everything kind of glossy. Next one is like an easy one. It's just literally from Costco. It's garlic, buttered shrimp. And you put the garlic in there too.
Smells delicious.
Okay, now we're gonna make ginger scallion crab. And then we have ginger and onion. So first, just get the ginger to smell good, and then we're gonna just add onions. So the garlic shrimp is all done.
Smells so good.
So butter, garlic, scallops. So we have the ginger scallions here. So what you want to do is lightly cornstarch the whole amount of it. Okay, so this is the Dungeness crab, and then it has that ginger scallion, some oil, brown sugar, and then some soy sauce. Okay, so one of the Chinese secrets is to put cornstarch in water. Right there, see this fluid here? That's all gonna turn into like a thick like sauce. So what you wanna do is just kind of add it in. The sauce will thicken and it'll stick to the crab, making for a better sauce. And now you can see like how the sauce is thicker.
It smells delicious.